Hey, what's up guys? LG is all set to launch its first foldable phone to compete with Samsung Galaxy Fold and Huawei foldable phone. The patents are the most reliable source of data we have about this possible phone, and today they have left us with news. These patents are accompanied by a render made by Let Go Digital that reveals the possible design. So this is not officially confirmed by the company, so this information is with the leaked pictures. The patent filed by the LG reveals a lot of details, but it does not confirm the existence of the device like one shown in the sketches. In many occasions, we have seen patents of LG and other companies that have not finally seen the light in the form of an end device. LG will launch a foldable mobile, but we cannot ensure its design. As you can see in the pictures, a device with two folds that become a great tablet. The highlight thickness of the deployed terminal and also shape of this fully folded. It has a larger side bezel to hold it without accidentally pressing the screen. The rest of the bezels are very thin, something very positive to improve the screen to front ratio. When the terminal is fully loaded, it only has bezels on the bottom and the top. The sides are curved and infinite, so the user experience can be very satisfying and immersive. At the moment, all the details about the screen sizes, internal features or panel resolutions are unknown, and you have to wait to see if LG finally decides to use this design for its foldable mobile or leaves it aside for a more advanced one. The reality is that this design, as shown in the images, would be the most advanced in the entire current market. Of course, we do not know what companies like Huawei and Samsung have for us in 2020. So 2020 is a year where we'll get to see many of the unique designs in the smartphone. So that will amaze you, and that will be more comfortable, portable to carry the smartphone in your small pockets. So this is all about the LG's first foldable phone. Hope you like the video. What you feel about this video? What you feel about the LG's first foldable phone? Please comment in the comment section and do share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.